How to use WhatsApp in your computer. You can use WhatsApp on your computer using the WhatsApp web. So open up any browser, type in web.whatsapp.com. so web.whatsapp.com, type in. You can also use the WhatsApp desktop app which you can download. You can also use that. So here, once you click on these option here, what you're going to do is you will see a QR code displayed on your screen. So once you get to this QR code screen here, so what we're going to do now is simply open WhatsApp on your phone. So on your phone, open WhatsApp and then click on the three dots. If you're using Android, click on the three dots and then select linked devices. So when you get to click on the three dots, get to the menu, you will see an option called linked devices. Click on the linked devices and tap on link a device. So if you're using iPhone, the same thing, go to your WhatsApp and then go to settings and click on linked devices and then click on link a device. So when you click on link a device, your phone will prompt you to scan the QR code that's displayed on your computer screen here. So you go to scan these using your phone's camera, and that will authorize to use your WhatsApp on your web. So I will do that. So once you have scanned it, so this will now log in to your WhatsApp on your web, and that's now at the moment loading. So it will load your chats, it will log you in and then load all your chats, and that's it. So once linked, your WhatsApp chat will appear in your browser and you're all good to use. So that's pretty much it. So I've got it here. So you can see my chats has been loaded, so I can now use WhatsApp on my web. Just make sure that your phone must remain connected to the internet or the web browser in order for this to work. And that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.